Hello students, welcome to All Scholar classes. So today's video is going to be very important. Today I am not going to deliver lecture on any of the chapter, but today we are going to discuss about the reduced syllabus for CBSE class 10 science. You must have heard that CBSE board has reduced the syllabus from class 9 to 12 in every subjects. Okay, but we shall be discussing today. This video is for CBSE 10th science. Okay, the discussion will be only for the reduced syllabus for CBSE 10th science. Okay, so this has been done. The idea of reduction then is being done in order to reduce the burden on students. Okay, so almost 30% of the syllabus has been reduced. In this video, I will discuss about the revised syllabus for class 10 science. Other classes revised syllabus video has been also uploaded, whose link has been given in my description box. You can go and check to it. Okay, just check in the description box. You will find the link of the other videos that have been uploaded. Okay. So before starting, I would like to tell you that our channel, that is All Scholar, has taken a very good step for developing a good concept of education for our students. So All Scholar has developed its app for you all, for our students, for our viewers. Okay, so you can directly study and you can safely study. The most important thing for today is safety. So you can safely study from your home. Okay, so this is just to reduce the risk among our students. It is very risky to go out to study in some coaching institute or in schools. So this is just to reduce the risk. We have developed an app whose link has been again given in our description box. Please go through that. Okay, so we know that you people are facing lots of problem in studies. Our students are facing lots of problem in studies. You are very confused. You are not getting to know how to study, from where to study. Okay, so just go through the link in the description box. Please go through our app and enjoy a good study in our science and maths subjects. The experts of our expert teachers have given their videos there. Okay, so you can go and join the live classes also that are delivered by the teachers. Okay, so without wasting much of the time, I would like to start up with the changes that have been made in the class 10 science CBSE board syllabus. Okay, so we will see chapter wise the topics that have been removed. Okay, I shall be focusing on the chapter wise on the topics that have been removed from. I would like to mention one thing. All the discussion is for the session 20 and 21. Okay, we don't know in the further 21-22 what will be the syllabus, but due to COVID-19, due to this pandemic effect, syllabus has been reduced in this session. So we are talking only about 20 to 21 session. Okay, so the syllabus is for 20 to 21, and just take out your NCERTs. Come on, hurry up, take out your NCERT books and keep a pencil or a pen and just mark along with me the topics that you don't have to study. Just forget about those topics which have been removed. Just take out your NCERT book along with your pencil, so that when I will show you the topics that have been removed, you can mark it nicely. Okay, so let's see for the topics that have been removed. So let's start. In the first column, I have given the name of the chapter. In the second column, the topics that have been removed, or if there is any change in the syllabus that has been discussed. And in the third, the link of the video is there, our video which we have uploaded. Okay, so this is, again I am telling you students, CBSE Science syllabus for class 10, 20 and 21 session. Okay, only 20 and 21 session. And here I shall be discussing only the topics that have been removed. Okay, so just take your pencil. Are you ready to note it down? Just mark it down. So let's start from the chapter 1. The chapter 1, that is chemical reaction and equation. This chapter has got no change in the syllabus. There has been no change. Okay, so this is the link of the video. This is the part 1 and part 2. In both the parts we have covered whole of the chapter. Okay, the full chemical reactions and equation, a very well explained video is there. I would request you to go to this link. The description, in our description box, the link has been given, and there you can study this first chapter, that is the chemical reactions and equations. Okay, this chapter has been covered in 2 parts. Just go through it. Okay, next comes the chapter acid, bases and salts. Okay, so again nothing has been removed from this chapter also. There is no change in the syllabus. Okay, again here is the link of the videos that we have uploaded of this chapter, acid, base and salt. You can go for the part 1 and part 2 in the description box. The link of the video has been given. Just go through this. It is good that there has been no change in these 2 chapters, because these two chapters are very important as whole chemistry. Okay, this chemical reaction and equation is very important because our whole chemistry is based on equations, we know that. So we should study these chapters thoroughly, because in further classes also this is going to help you a lot. So that's why there has been no change in syllabus in these 2 chapters, and these are the links of our video. We have already uploaded the full chapter in a very well explanatory manner. Okay, so just go through these links, through these videos. Next, let's come on metal and non-metals. So from this chapter, few topics has been removed. So please mark it out, these topics. Just take your pencil and mark in your NCERT. The basic metallurgical processes, all the process, the extraction and all that has been removed. Okay, so next is the corrosion and its prevention, that has been removed, and rest all the topics are to be studied. These 2 topics are only removed. Okay, from the 3rd chapter, that is metals and non-metals. So just mark it out, because in the final exam these 2 topics are not going to come. Questions from this topic are not going to come. Next, let's come on the chapter 4, that is carbon and its compound. There is a big change in this chapter. Most of the topics have been removed. Okay, as you can see, nomenclature of carbon compounds containing functional group, halogens, alcohol, ketones, aldehydes, alkanes and alkynes all have been removed. Difference between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated carbon has been removed. So you can see that most of the important topics of this chapter has been removed. Next, the chemical properties of carbon compound. All the chemical properties, it means the combustion reaction, oxidation reaction, additional and substitution reaction, all these have been removed. Next, ethanol and ethanoic acid. Students, please be careful. Only properties and uses have been removed. Okay, ethanol and ethanoic acid का केवल properties और uses remove हुआ है, बाकी आपको सारे पढ़ने हैं ethanol and ethanoic acid का. Okay, so only properties and uses have been removed. Rest all you have to study, and soaps and detergents have been removed fully. So this was for carbon and its compound. These are the topics that have been removed. I am keeping you stay for 1 minute so that you can note down these topics, and once you will mark in your book, you need not to watch the video again and again, so that whenever you are going to study, you will get to know how these topics are removed. Okay, so from chapter 3, metal and non-metals, basic metallurgical process, corrosion and prevention has been removed. Just note it down. From chapter 4, carbon and its compound, most of the topics have been removed. The whole nomenclature have been removed. Nomenclature of carbon compounds containing functional group, halogens, alcohol, ketones, aldehydes, alkenes and alkyles. The difference between what are saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons and their difference has been removed. The chemical properties means all these chemical reactions have been removed. Ethanol and ethanoic only properties and uses have been removed. Okay, and in soaps and detergents have been fully removed. Okay, so this was about the third and fourth chapter. There is a major change in the fourth chapter, and the third chapter has also removed few of the topics. Next, let's see the fifth chapter, the periodic classification of elements. There is no change in the syllabus, as we all know that the periodic classification of element is very important to understand chemistry, so that's why this has been not removed. Okay, so there is no change. You have to study whole of the chapter. We have already uploaded the video in 3 parts. You can go in the link in the description box. The link is being provided. Just go in the link and open the video, part 1, part 2 and part 3. The periodic classification of elements have been well explained. Okay, so just go through it. Next, life processes. This chapter is chapter number 6. No change in syllabus, nothing has been removed. Chapter 7, control and coordination. In this, most of the topics have been removed. Okay, so the tropic movement in plants have been completely removed. Introduction of plant hormones. The hormones have plant hormones, gibberellin and all have been removed. Control and coordination in animal have been removed. The nervous system have been removed. Voluntary and involuntary and reflex actions have been removed. Chemical coordination and chemical hormones. So you can say that as a whole, this chapter control and coordination have been reduced. Okay, it has been totally zero. Only few things you have to study from this chapter. So I am just keeping a pause on this page, and you please note down that in chapter 6, life processes, there has been no change. In chapter 7, control and coordination, you have to not study. These topics are removed. Please see topics removed from 20 and 21 syllabus. These are the topics that have been removed. So tropic movement in plants, introduction of plant hormones, control and coordination in animals, nervous system, voluntary, involuntary and reflex actions, chemical coordination and animal hormones. Okay, so these things you need not to study. Fine. Next, let's see chapter 8. As you can see how organisms reproduce, there is no change in the syllabus. Nothing has been removed from here. Hereditary and evolution. In this, there is nothing removed from hereditary portion. You have to study all of them from hereditary. But the basic concepts of evolution have been removed. So you can say that now you have to study in chapter 9 only hereditary. Evolution has been removed. Okay. So next, let's come on chapter 10, light reflection and refraction. There is no change in a syllabus. Okay, so whole chapter of light you have to study fully. So if you see the 8th chapter, there has been no change. 9th chapter, evolution has been removed, the basic concepts of evolution. And chapter 10, light reflection and refraction, there has been no change in the syllabus. I am giving a pause for few seconds. Just note it down for the chapter 9, hereditary and evolution, basic concept of evolution has been removed. Okay children, are you noting down? So next, chapter 11, human eye and the colorful bird. From this almost so many topics have been removed. So functioning of the lenses in human eye, defects of vision and their correction, the disease that are being caused because of the defects in vision, that has been removed, and the application of spherical mirror and lenses. Okay, so from chapter these are the topics that have been removed. Next, let's come on the chapter electricity. There has been no change in the syllabus. This is a very important chapter from physics and it carries maximum marks in the exam. So there is a no change in the syllabus. Now if we come on chapter 13, magnetic effect and electric current. Okay, so here also so many things have been removed. Electric generator have been removed. DC, that is the direct current, had been removed. Alternating current AC, frequency of AC, advantages of AC over DC, these have been removed. Next, the domestic electric circuits have been removed. Okay, so you can see that chapter 11, that is human eye and colorful bird, these are the topics, so many things have been removed. From chapter 12, electricity, nothing has been removed. From chapter 13, that is magnetic effect of electric current, these are the topics that have been removed. So I am keeping a pause for few seconds, just note it down. Okay, so from chapter 11, functioning of lenses in human eye, defects of vision and their corrections, application of spherical mirror and lenses. From chapter 13, electric generator, DC, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantages of AC over DC and domestic electric circuits. You don't have to study these things. Okay, so shall we move further? Let's see the chapter 14, sources of energy. Almost the whole of the chapter has been removed. Okay, so different forms of energy, conventional and non-conventional has been removed. Sources of energy, fossil fuels, solar energy, biogas, wind, water and tidal energy have been removed. Nuclear energy have been removed. Renewable versus non-renewable sources of energy has been removed. So as you can see, most of the topics from this chapter have been removed. Okay, so chapter 14, it is not going to contain much of the marks in the exam. Next, our environment, nothing has been removed from this syllabus. Okay, no change in this syllabus. And the chapter 16, management of natural resources, this chapter has been gone for internal assessment. Okay, so for internal assessment, this chapter is there. So I am again keeping a pause on this video for a few seconds. Just note down the topics from the chapter 14, sources of energy. Different forms of energy, conventional and non-conventional, sources of energy, fossil fuel, solar energy, biogas, wind, water, tidal energy, nuclear energy, renewable versus non-renewable sources of energy. Okay, and chapter 16 has gone for internal assessment. So this was a discussion about the topics that have been removed. Okay. So I think you must have seen it clearly, all those topics that have been removed. So the major change has been made from chapter 4, that is carbon and its compound. So let's have a quick look over again. Chapter 1, chapter 2, no change. 3 and 4, I hope you have noted down what are the topics that have been removed. 5, there is a no change. 6, there is a no change. From 7, these topics have been removed. 8, again no change. From chapter 9, evolution has been removed. Chapter 10, there is a no change. Chapter 11 has got many portions removed. Chapter 12, no change. Chapter 13 has again got some portions removed, some topics removed. Then chapter 14, there is a great removal of the topics. 15 is as it is, nothing has been removed. 16 has gone into the internal assessment. Okay, so that was all about the reduction of syllabus for class 10 CBSE Science for the session 20 and 21. Remember, the syllabus is only for the session 20 and 21. So here is a view of our app. You can go through it. In the description box, the link of our app is given. Our email ID is also mentioned there. If you have any query regarding the syllabus, or you want to see the syllabus for other classes, if some of your relatives or anybody need, we have uploaded for that also. So just go through it. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed yet, because we upload videos for each classes, topic wise, chapter wise. Okay, so thank you.